No retirement plan. Don't know if I'll make it till then. 'Cause I made a mess and I don't have shit to my name. Don't wanna give up. Don't know if I do what I love to make this world better than when I came. Oh, heaven on earth, heaven on earth. We could have heaven on earth if we wanted to. The oceans rise and fall. No person.
Well, hi, howdy, and hello, and welcome to the Everglades. Yep, we're out and about. Road trip last night.
Hi, howdy, and hello. It is a little late, but we have made it to Everglades National Park. So we are excited and hope you join us and checking this out. This will be really, really cool. Down this road we'll go. What we'll see, who knows? Let's go.
Car camping. And now we're having coffee in the Everglades. Yeah, you could be a little bit jealous. I'll let ya. I'd be jealous too, but I'm sitting here. And actually, I'm sitting here while he's making coffee, and it's blueberry coffee, and it smells so freaking good. So welcome to another video. Let's go take a look around the Everglades, shall we? Well, I guess you're part of the wildlife, right? We're looking for wildlife. Here it is, in the form of two big old black crows. All right, 3, couple, 4, yeah. Wow. What kind of noise was that? Can you do that? Who made that noise? Okay. Wow, what is that? Okay. All right, coffee's percolating. The water looks beautiful. We'll drink some coffee, go check stuff out. So the Everglades have been hit with a couple of hurricanes, bam, 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 right in a row. I think it was Ian, and then another one I can't remember the name of, and then Nicole. So there's lots of roads still closed, and places like this where you can just see there was water pretty high up and everywhere. It's just drying out. But that doesn't take away from just the beauty of the place. Kind of makes me a little sad though. But they'll fix it. Have you ever been eco camping in the middle of the Everglades? Well, hi, howdy, and hello. And that's where I am today at the eco campsite right here in the Everglades National Forest. And you can stay here. Check it out. It's on their website. Yurts are available and they're really cool. Let me see if I can zoom in a bit more. You can see straight through that one. All the way to the water on the other side. Isn't that just beautiful? When you get here, you don't get to park. You gotta walk over. But you could use one of these carts to cart your stuff from the parking lot. So check this out. If you stay in a yurt, let me know. I'd love to know how it goes. We found our spot for tonight. Loop A, spot 1. Right across from the restroom. Just perfect for us. With some great neighbors. Bunch of little kids. There's a potty. Got a fire pit, a picnic table, a grill. We're set. Let's get a fire started. You know that part in the movie, I think it's Jurassic Park? All you can hear is stuff moving in the bushes. You can't really see what it is. Well, in this case, I can see stuff moving in the bushes, but I don't know what it is. I mean, I like nature and all, don't get me wrong. My hubby's sleeping, so maybe I just... let's put the toes up here. I hear you. I'll stay over here, you stay over there. Are you a dinosaur?
We're probably gonna need
Sounds of nature. Good morning. Welcome to our second day in the Everglades. We had a lovely night last night. The new air mattress is divine. I think I'm a little shaky this morning. I need coffee. Somebody's working on it for me. Hey, sweetheart. He is in charge of coffee. I love that about him. So it's a little bit rainy. It's a little bit cloudy. But it's beautiful. So get in the car. Let's go look around a little bit more before we head home. This could be cool. Oh, my favorite road is closed, though. No whirlpools and air ferns unless I walk down there. Which I might do. He might not, but I might do. Let's go see what we can find out. Can you see the alligator coming to have coffee? Let's zoom in. There he is. Good morning, Mr. Alligator. You stay over there, I'll stay over here, deal? Good deal. Along the road as you travel through, you find these informational little kiosks. This one talks about tree islands. And those are little communities sitting out there. It's where everything lives here. As far as the eye can see. It's gorgeous. Got some vultures hanging out over here, I think. Let's see if you can see those. Just chilling in the tree. The wind's picking up. It is gonna pour rain. It's getting colder, at least for Florida. And my hip hurts, so I'm walking funny. Let me see. What temperature do you think it is? Go ahead. that's cold in Florida. And this little kiosk is talking about limestone, and they call it life in the rocks. Limestone is bedrock of the Everglades. It's called pinnacle rock. And they say the most important part of it is what's hidden. Robert was talking about how in Georgia they call these little floating things trembling earth. That makes sense. When you step on them, they move. That's up in the swamp, and these are kind of like that. That's so cool. Yeah, the Indians would travel from the Everglades up through the swamp. And like I said, if you knew the stepping stones, what a great place to hide, right? And what a great place to collect some poop. Ew. Poop for the boy. Yeah, sneaky Peacher. And of course, all along and all through the Everglades, you're going to find trails. Walking trails, canoe trails, kayak trails, all them kind of trails. This one's the Pinelands Trail. And it says this trail loops through one of the most varied habitats in the park. You can see the devil's potato. That's a plant. And a pileated woodpecker. We saw an owl last night. Oh my God, it was beautiful. Pure white. So cool. So yeah, you can go hike. What's this over here? Until recent years, all fires were considered bad, and now we know you can set them, and the rich organic soil dries out and smolders, and then we got new growth. And that's about Hurricane Andrew's impact. Hurricanes definitely impact the Everglades. That's why I'm glad they're maintained. All right, the rain stopped for a second. Let's see if we can see anything else before it goes back. Beautiful. Well, we're disappointed that it's closed, but this is the old missile base.
Oh, at least let you
Here's another place where you can see the mound pretty well defined. And this is Florida. We don't have mountains like that. Everything is flat here. So when you see something like that, it's either garbage or a nuclear missile site. Now you know. To me, this is one of the most beautiful things in the world. Even in the rain, this is kind of stunning to me. Limestone sinkhole. Don't see these every day. Imagine all the things that live down in there. Isn't it great? Wow. Even in the rain, this place is gorgeous. Oh, look. Hi. All my Sesame Street friends. I finally got to use my new Sesame Street umbrella. Come out here in the rain. Yeah, this is gorgeous. Just gorgeous. There's my patient husband waiting for me. I think we should go get out of the rain. We stopped here at the Royal Palms Visitor Center. I'd love to go take a walk around there, but let's let the rain calm down. We really gotta head home, so I know I keep saying it, but we really gotta head home. The sun's trying to peek through. Maybe if I just sit for a minute, you think? This is one of those places where they actually have items out to cover your car. Let me see if I can go without getting wet. In these bins right here are tarps where you can cover your car. And there's a play area that they hope is going to keep the vultures busy so they won't eat your car. Yes, the vultures will eat the stuff off your car. Windshield wipers, rubber stuff. Gotta be careful. Got a little closer just to show you, but I don't want to get out of the car. Yes, it is a playground for the vultures. Yeah, creative, huh? Well, doing things a little backwards, but let's go check out the Welcome Center headquarters kind of place. Not sure that they're open, but we can see. Hello and welcome to Florida, where it's raining 1 minute and totally not the next. Oh, it's gorgeous. I know I keep saying that. Maybe I need a better word, but dang, it's pretty. Electric vehicle charging available if you should need it. Sign says camp only in campgrounds. Good thing I didn't see that before last night. What's over here? Baby, baby. Somebody's calling me. That's the baby, baby call. I found a panther. Wow, and some beautiful air ferns floating around. Florida panther. This is dedicated to the memory of Ernest F. Coe. Looks like he helped build the Everglades. Or found. Who was that one? I missed that one. Stephen Mather laid the foundation of the National Park Service. Okay, good to know. Also, the Everglades National Park has been designated a World Heritage Site. That means it's really recognized, isn't it? Oh, this is cool. It's this tree. Everglades. Nice. Wow.
Oh, see, you can take the west side, and there's a campground alligator creek.
We'll have to check that out more. Wow. That's pretty. No other Everglades in the world. Talk about killing the peace. Scared the crap out of me. You can come in and watch a movie and learn something. I can't, but you could.
If it survives to adulthood, this youngster will be able to...
This is a really cool display. A lot of things to touch and do and make noise and see. Alligator eating her babies? No, just carrying them around, right? It's just me that's hungry, not her. Stop it, fat girl. Oh, look.
Baby gators.
Oh, it highlights it and makes the noise. Do the cricket frogs again. Damn, it was like something moved over here that scared me. That thing in the glass right there is cool. The little frog, yeah. I like this. Saw this one too.
The little movie that played in
Oh, I could look in the hole.
Some birds are taking a break to clean their feathers. This careful cleaning and grooming is
Can you see in
essential
there?
for healthy feathers.
Look
Are you
at
starting to
that.
notice how different these birds are from one another?
I can call folks on these old-fashioned phones. Old-fashioned. Should have used to have this in my house. No. It don't work. That's okay. I don't need to call anybody anyway. By the way, here in the Everglades, no, there's no service. Our stuff hasn't worked all weekend. praying there wasn't a tragedy, knowing there wasn't a tragedy, but nobody could have got a hold of us if there was. Wow. People of the Everglades, that's cool. We'll see the Indian villages on the way home. This is gorgeous. Oh, look, rockers just for us. See the fish? Oh, yeah. See the fish.
Great American Everglades vlog.
Listen, I just want you to be understood. I'm leaving that shit in the video, and it is shit, just so we're clear. Oh my God, how do you do that? And thank God the wind's blowing the other way. And of course, you can always go shopping. Gotta at least look for a minute. We got a sticker for the scooters. If you didn't know, we're normally on a scooter. I'll put that up here. And I have a sticker collection. Well, we both do. We either put them on our travel boxes. You don't have a travel box yet? I got a video on how to make those. I'll try to link that up here.
Look at this beautiful footage of absolutely nothing. That's what Joy says.
Or car noise.
Or car noise, yeah. That's probably really loud, I guarantee it. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Come down to the Everglades. Follow along, see where we go next.